Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. Disclaimer, let's go to the prediction for Monday. The data is very much showing bullish on all four indications. Ratio is 14 is to 5, weightage on 6.37 versus 0.47, and average is 3 is to 0, and absolute frequency is also 5 is to 0. So all indications are bullish. But once again, we have three bearish warning signal for the last consecutive three trading days. On Monday is also the third day, which three bearish warning signal. So we must have to play cautiously. Bearish warning comes. Bearish warning comes means what we need to do. We must have to play cautiously, but irrespective of all bullish, it still have potential to fall down from the levels if it is matching. So three bearish warning for the third consecutive day. So Monday is also there is a warning, but we don't have any weekly targets, and all the targets are closed and there is no new targets at all. So that is also one worrying part. Why? Because the pending target for the monthly and pending target for the monthly downside and upside only we are having. So which means still we focusing on the targets, as I said in the earlier video, these levels. So 18,700 to 17,971. There will be a strong fight. Then after that, how the levels are breaking, then only we will come to know. But still, the negative side are still having little heavier. If the negative news coming very stronger and stronger, then the Nifty may get weaker and weaker. So we still have the pending target up to 15,161. So that how the levels are going to get break, according to that, Nifty will go down heavily. So play safe, and as per the basic rules, anything above the volatile level 1, which is 1.18% above 17,812, then only the bullish in control, the bullish zone. Anything below the volatile 2, still in the positive, but below 17,687, 82.74, below that level, which is in the bearish zone. So anything in between trading, it is a volatile zone. So these are all the basic rules, and the volatile stop loss, anything not breaking this level plus 10 points, then Nifty has potential to fall down heavily. And this particular level 17,687 minus 10 points, if low is not breaking, Nifty has potential to recover as per the volatile stop loss. And still other, if as per the edges, Nifty is showing flat kind of a market. So Nifty might open in the flat somewhere, but still in the bearish zone. So if the market is opens in between these levels, how we need to trade? If anything, these levels are not breaking higher, then Nifty has potential to fall down heavily. If it is breaking, then it's still the volatile zone is having much bigger number. Why? Because the market might open somewhere 30 points, but lower is matching with some levels. If these key levels are not breaking, because there is no much different points on these three. So 17,577, 17,567, those levels are not breaking minus 10 points, then that 17,557 level, if it is matching lower, and then Nifty might start to recover, means it still has potential to recover towards to any level. Why? Because the four indications are in the bullish, but still three bearish warning signal is in taking control. Then once if it is breaking certain levels on the downside, but high is not breaking these key levels, or high is matching with any of these levels perfectly, then if it is low goes down, means it still has potential to go 17,480 to 17,480 38 levels. If it is not able to break 17400 level, then the strong recovery is possible. If 17400 levels or breaking means it might go to any level on the downside, because we have 17,090 range as a target as well, so that Nifty still has potential to go heavily on Monday if it is breaking some certain level, because after average level it is in the free fall zone. But at the same time, if Nifty is not breaking certain levels, as I told, these two key levels, even if it is not able to break the negative average, because the points are not that much big comparing. So 30, 60 points or nowadays not makes much difference. So that if it is matching lower side not able to break and it is still has difficulty, then Nifty has potential to recover strongly. But the condition is Nifty pre-opening must have to be in the positive. At least minimum 1 point pre-opening must have to be in the positive. So 1 point pre-open is there, then the lower side is matching perfectly. Then Nifty has potential to recover strongly towards to minimum at least in the range of 17,800 level. If it is breaking, then it has potential to go towards to positive average 17,873. But this data is typically what we saw on the last 2 days, Friday and Wednesday. The data is very much typically the same as per the power value. Anything pre-opens below that level, Nifty will try to go down to 17,547. Like the same kind of typical data what we saw on last 2 days, the same kind of data only we have, so that still potentially Nifty might have the potential to go down, but the four indicators which shows that we need to play safe with the hedging method. And this data is showing anything below 18,103, Nifty is still on the downside trend as we saw on the previous videos. So as I told earlier, like if you would have bought it on Friday, 100 points both side, they would have enjoyed, because this 100 might come down to call option 100 might come down from 100 to some 20 or 30, but this 100 would have given you some huge profit, 250 to 300 like that, because we bought it in the combination 17,850. That itself went from 130 to 400. So from 130 to 400 it has went, means how much profit you would have got. For this combination, put option combination, we bought it call option side 18,000. 18,000 call option we bought it. The combination C, this call option went from 119 to lower somewhere around 45. So on the whole, you can take it 60 to 70 points loss, minus in that I'm giving as a maximum loss 70, but still you're gaining here. Let's take even 130, you bought it at 150, so you would have got some 250 points profit here. So this 250 points minus 70, still you ended up with 180 points, which is a good profit. 9,000 rupees profit easily you would have got if you go on with the combination. That's how the combinations has power. So if you go as per the combinations, then you will still has the potential to get. But on Monday the combinations will work only if the Nifty's goes trending, because we don't have any kind of a target for the weekly. So uh, if you go small traders, better avoid trading on Monday with the combinations. You must go with the hero zero on one single side, because the premiums are very much high if you go with the combination. Still, if the Nifty is trading in the flattish kind of trend, means both sides the erosion will happen, so you will lose some 30 to 40% within no time. So wait for some time, let the market to get steady and the premiums are much in control, then go with the you can go with the trend. So the summary I will like to show you. The Monday data has all four indications on the bullish, three bearish warning signal, no weekly pending targets. The range between the positive average and the negative average is having around 320 330 points range, and par value is still trying to go down. Nifty 17,547, that is the indicator. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. Thank you.